Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. There's a video today. I'm going to be creating an easy, simple, everyday 10-minute makeup look for college and for work. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, so I've already prepped my skin with my toner as well as my moisturizer. So I'm going to be just straightforward starting with my e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. So I'm going to be just using this and putting it all over my face as my foundation. This is my favorite product. I just use it literally in every single video at this point. So I'm just going to blend this up now. Just like that. And it provides that beautiful glow. Next, I'm going to be using this hydrating camo concealer from e.l.f. and this is in the shade Light. I'm just going to put some on my lids as well. So I'm just going to blend this seamlessly into my skin. Just like that. Also, after concealing, I'm going to be using this Flower Beauty blush bomb in the shade Bitten. I'm just going to take a little bit and put it onto my cheeks, and I'm just going to blend it with my brush. So just going to put some more here on the other cheek. And this blush is, guys, so pigmented. You just need just 2 dots. And I'm also gonna actually blend this into my eyes a bit like that. I just love that look. Now, so I'm just gonna put some onto my nose bridge just like that, just to tie everything together. This blush has that beautiful natural finish, so it looks dewy right now because I have the Halo Glow Liquid Filter, but other than that, it's actually a natural finish blush. So if you put it over matte foundations or matte base, it will just come out to be matte. So I'm also gonna put this blush onto my chin as well. I love that cutesy vibe. So okay, so this is how so far it's looking. I think I put a little bit too much blush, but I feel like blush can never be too much, right? So moving on to the next step, I'm gonna be using this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder, and it's in the shade 15 Light, and we're just gonna be putting it under our eyes, around our mouth area. So yeah, I'm just going to put the powder under my eyes, just like so. Really? So we're just going to. And just like that, I'm also putting this powder a bit onto my forehead, just like that, just to remove the excess glowiness from my Next, I'm going to be using this Contour Force bronzer from Sugar Cosmetics. It's in the shade Woody Wonder. So I'm just going to take my brush and just going to lightly dust it all on my face for the sun-kissed makeup look. This bronzer is super smooth and so soft to apply. It applies super easily, super blendable. Love it. So beautiful, this bronzer. Also, I'm gonna take some and put it on my nose. Just like that, just very little, not a lot. Now I'm going to be using this Maybelline Tattoo Brow Gel I'm just going to brush my brows with this and fill in with this. Now I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Lash and Roll Mascara, and I'm just going to first curl my lashes. So I'm just straightening up. So I'm just going to apply this mascara. For the lips, I'm going to be using the Ink Velvet. This is the shade Bouquet Nude, and I'm just going to use this as my lipstick. So I'm using this as my lipstick today, and this, guys, the smells is so good. Like, it smells like candies, literally. It's so nice. I'm just going to use this. It's a beautiful peachy nude, like neutral nude. It's a beautiful. It's a beautiful lipstick. I love it, guys. This is my favorite one. And what I do with this is I just use my fingers and just like blur out the edges. Okay, guys, this is the final look. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, please consider subscribing my channel. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Until that, bye bye.